In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Framer. Let's start by opening Framer in your browser and heading into the project where you want the form to live. Make sure you're in the design canvas so you can place and position elements on your page or frame. If you're working from a template, open the specific page or section where a form makes the most sense, like a contact or sign up area. Next, look for the insert option in the Framer interface. This is your gateway to adding components, and it opens a panel that organizes everything you can drop onto the canvas. Think of it as your toolbox. When you click it, you'll see a range of categories and ready-to-use elements. Within that panel, find and select the Forms category. This is where Framer groups all its native form components, so you don't have to build inputs from scratch. It keeps things consistent, accessible, and easy to manage inside your project. You'll see different options here, including quick email signups and a more flexible form builder. Email signup components are great if you only need a single field and a button. For this walkthrough, we'll use the form builder because it gives you the most control over what fields appear, how they're labeled, and how the form feels in your layout. Before you proceed, consider the exact information you truly need. Shorter forms usually convert better, so keep it focused. Now click and drag the form builder from the panel directly onto your canvas to embed it on the page. Release to drop it in place. Position it where it belongs within your section, and use the handles to resize so it aligns with your grid or spacing system. If your design uses a clear content width or column layout, keep the form within that rhythm so it looks intentional and balanced. With the form sitting on your canvas, adjust its basic properties so it matches the rest of your design. Update placeholder text and labels for clarity, set a clear button label, and make sure the overall style, like spacing, borders, and colors, fits your brand. Keep error and help text short and specific so visitors know exactly what to fix if they make a mistake. If your page has a light or dark background, ensure contrast is strong enough for readability. That's all there is to embedding a form in Framer. You opened your project, used insert, chose forms, selected the form builder, and dragged it into place on the canvas. With those essentials done, your page now has a functional, well-placed form ready for your design workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy building.